Hello, welcome back. All right, this video is going to be about open promenade to free spin to free spin. Open promenade, free spin to free spin. Okay, so we're going to get started with this. It's coming off that track and rail system that we introduced you to. So we're going to come from this angle. All right, I'm on the rail, she's on the track. Here we go. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. Nicely done. Okay, let's do that again. Again, ladies like this because it's 2 free spins. Ready? And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Cool. Now we're going to come toward the camera. We're going to keep it a little bit tighter so we can see that and then come away from the camera. All right? I'm on the rail. She's on the track. Here we go. Ready? And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Nicely done. All right, let's take it from this angle. Come this way, okay? Here we go. Bring the legs over here. And ready? Cool. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Yes, all right? So remember, it's not about trying to crank a lady, it's just leading her, let her do the spinning. And the spinning, ladies, we have a video for that in the private lesson style videos. And so again, if you need more detail, go to that. Other than that, go have fun with this. Break it down, pause it, slow it up, learn it, come on back for the next pattern. See you in a moment.